Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices settings and choosing Bluetooth and Devices right away. Now select Printing. Click on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use a different service, disable this one first thanks to this switcher. Go back, tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!